Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Home Assistant, smart home app, and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Home Assistant is a powerful smart home control app designed to centralize and automate all your smart devices in one place. It allows users to manage lights, thermostats, cameras, sensors, and even voice assistants like Alexa and Google Home, all from a single dashboard. The app focuses on privacy, flexibility, and customization, making it a top choice for tech enthusiasts who prefer open-source smart home setups. The app's main feature is its ability to integrate hundreds of smart devices and services, allowing for complex automations. For example, you can create routines such as automatically turning off lights when you leave home or adjusting temperature based on time of day. The best part is that it works both locally and offline, so your automations continue even without an internet connection. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its versatility, privacy-focused design, and seamless device compatibility. It offers deep customization for advanced users while still remaining functional for beginners through its intuitive interface. The integration with platforms like Zigbee, Z-Wave, and Matter further expands its capabilities, making it one of the most complete smart home solutions available. However, there are a few drawbacks. Setting up Home Assistant can be slightly technical for beginners, especially when configuring custom automations or third-party integrations. Some devices may require manual setup, and the learning curve can be steep for non-technical users. In summary, the Home Assistant, smart home app, may be worth using if you want full control, privacy, and flexibility over your smart home ecosystem. However, if you prefer a simpler, plug-and-play solution, you might find it a bit complex compared to other mainstream smart home apps. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.